Hello friends, welcome to Telugu Dick channel. On this channel, we will learn new English words as well as full forms. Let's learn the word. Friends, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.